Hello and welcome, my friends. I'm so happy to have you here with me as we dive into another peaceful painting journey together. Today, we're going to paint a magical winter scene, a warm, glowing cabin tucked deep inside a quiet, snowy forest. The kind of place that makes you feel safe, cozy, and far away from the noise of the world. I begin by covering the top portion of the canvas with a blend of blue and black using a large flat brush. As I move downward, I gradually brighten the mix by adding white, creating a soft transition that feels like a cold winter evening falling gently over the landscape. Next, with a slightly darker mix of the same colors, I block in the silhouettes of the distant trees. I soften the lower parts to give them that misty, atmospheric look, like they're fading into the quiet, snowy air. Then I start shaping a few of those trees, and with a small round brush, I add more detail to their upper branches, deepening the tones where needed to bring a sense of depth. With a calm touch, I mix a cool blue-gray and begin laying a thin layer of snow over the branches in selected areas, just enough to suggest the weight of winter, not too much. Using this same color, I gently paint the snowy ground, shifting between lighter and darker tones to show its uneven texture. Now it's time to bring the heart of the scene to life. A small, welcoming cabin nestled in front of those distant trees. I start with the roof, carefully shaping its angles and laying in the first shadows. Then I block in the darker base tones for the cabin to establish its structure and depth. After that, I gradually build up the highlights, adding lighter wooden textures that bring out the grain and warmth of the wood. Finally, I paint the tiny details, softly glowing windows that make the cabin feel alive, and a small lamp above the door casting a gentle golden light that ties the whole scene together. Creating art feels even more meaningful when I know you're right here beside me, sharing the process, the colors, and the calm. To break the flatness of the snow, I add brighter highlights here and there, shaping small rises and dips on the ground. Then, with a dark mixture of blue and black, I paint the branches of a large foreground tree leaning into the frame, its branches hanging slightly downward under the weight of snow. A thinner brush and a watered-down mix help me add dried twigs scattered across the snowy forest floor. Once the structure is ready, I return to the snow mixture and gently place snow on the branches of the foreground tree, following the direction in which they bend. The key is not covering everything. Leaving breathing space keeps the painting natural. Then, with a nearly dry brush, I softly blend small circular motions above the cabin's chimney to paint the rising smoke, light, fluffy, and fading into the cold air. Finally, I add delicate falling snowflakes throughout the scene, tiny dots drifting slowly from the sky. I step back, look at the whole picture, and add the last details that bring everything together. Thank you so much for painting with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this peaceful winter moment. Your support, your likes, comments, and shares means the world to me and helps this channel grow. Until our next artwork, stay warm and inspired.